For this video, I am going to teach you how to change the background color in WordPress. So the process is fairly simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to go to your web page. So from your web page, you just need to go to the customize button or locate the section right here that says customize, and just simply click onto it. And once you are in your customizing page, should be able to see this on the left side of your screen. And then from the options that you have, go to the global section, and under there, from the options again, simply locate colors. So from these colors, you'll be able to see on the section right here the global palette. So you can change the color palette for your website, and you can even change the theme or the theme color. You can change the accent, the links, the heading, body text, and the borders. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color for the site background. Hence, we're going to use this feature right here. It says site background under the surface color, and you just need to click onto this section right here. And as you scroll down, this is what you should be able to see. So you can just use these features right here. You can scroll this to the right if you want to see more shades of colors. So I'm going to stick with yellow, and you see this circle right here. Just need to also move that to the shade that you want to change your website to, or the background of your website to. So I'm going to use this shade. And also on this section right here, you can use hex code if you want to. So for example, you have a color that you want to use specifically for the background of your website, and you have the hex code of that color. You just need to copy or type in the color of or the code of that color, and just paste it right here or type it right here, and it will be automatically applied to your website. And then if you want to copy this code, you just need to click onto this icon right here that says copy, and then just paste and use it however you want. And also, you can use or you can change your site background to gradient if you wanted to use gradient colors, or image if you want to do that. So simply select this image background or image button right here and select background image. And here, this is where you can upload files or just select from your media library. And also, WordPress has free images that you can use for your background or the background of your website. So if you're already satisfied with what you have, you just need to click this publish button to save the changes. So that's basically it. That is how you can change the color of your background in WordPress. So I hope this video helped you. And if it please, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.